In everyday life, you must have heard of one term, that is object detection. It consists of two subterms. One is object, second is detection. Meaning is quite clear that whenever you are going for detection of particular object in a particular context, means it might be a video, it might be an image or something like that, then it's object detection. So what it is and why it is important, how we can do it, and the sort of literature and the references where we can find them. All these questions we are going to look into, and we are going to discuss all these things in detail in this particular video. So let's start. Hey there, my name is Rohit Kumar, and today we are going to specifically talk on object detection. So let me tell you with the basic definition that what is object detection. So you can see over here that object detection is considered as a computer vision technique, and it is specifically used for locating the instances of objects. Instances means the particular example of objects in images or videos. So whenever you are going for this sort of image detection, there are multiple algorithms or the different sorts of techniques are available, and using them you can do it. So particularly people are interested in this sort of object detection based on their research interest, means they have a specific kind of need, and that's why they move on to such particular objects or the detection. But point is that when you are going for object detection, then what are the sort of things that you are supposed to do? So it is a task of detecting instances of objects, as I told you. So the state of the art methods that can be used for this particular purpose, those can be categorized into different categories. But mainly there are two categories. One is one stage methods, and there are two stage methods. So in one stage methods, they prioritize the inference speed, and the two stage methods, they prioritize the detection accuracy. So if we talk about the one stage methods, then the examples are YOLO, SSD, RetinaNet, etc. And in two stage methods, some of the examples are the mask R-CNN, Cascade R-CNN, etc. So these are the sort of things, particularly for object detection, there are number of benchmarks available. There are number of data sets and the models are available in the existing literature. So if you are interested, you can go and have a look onto that. But before discussing all these things, we'll discuss this particular repository available on GitHub. So hope it is quite clearly visible to you all. So what it is nothing, it's a research platform for object detection research, and whose platform. So here you can see that Detectron is the Facebook AI research software system, and it is supposed to have the state-of-the-art detection algorithms, including the mask R-CNN, as I told you, two stage. Now, coming to the specific implementation, so it is written in Python and developed, powered by the CapCrew. So come down here, you'll find all the related introduction to mask R-CNN, then RetinaNet, fast R-CNN, and some of the related backbone network architectures are also discussed in the form of ResNet X3. And coming to the licenses, citing detection, etc., multiple details are available over here, and all the references are also available. So in total, if we say, then a full-fledged starting point you can get over here. You can start with this particular repository, and you'll find a lot of information. Particularly if you want to dig in, then you should go to these references, and you'll find a lot more detection related information based on either the architecture or the methods. So I'll recommend you to start from here, and hopefully you will find all the related information. Now we jump onto the thing that we were discussing, that what are the related data sets and models. So the COCO is a quite popular data set, and we have made a separate data set video also on COCO. So you can go and have a look if you are interested. So COCO Mini and COCO Test kind of data sets are available, and the C-Drone C. C-Drone C is also another popular data set which is available for this object detection purposes. Additionally, the now, then the TBBR, the Kitty also we have considered as one of the popular data set, and we have created a video on Kitty, so you can check with that. Additionally, the AI Todd, the genuine detection, then the people art, and new scenes, etc. There are n number of databases are available, data sets are available which you can use. Coming to the specific models, so mask R-CNN, and the patches, the Panet++, then the YOLO version 5, and the faster R-CNN, then the PP, YOLO E plus, etc. All these details you can find from internet. So all these sort of options with respect to data sets and models are available for you, specifically for object detection. So you can see there are so many references, so many literature places where you can go and just dig out the related details which you are interested in. And particularly according to the task, means whether you are trying to have the object detection in images or in video, then specifically you need to choose the data set, and particularly you need to go for a particular model. So the models might be pre-trained, and obviously that might be very useful while doing the specific research. Now coming to the specific works that you can do. So you can do the 3D object detection under the category of object detection. You can do the RGB silent object detection. You can do the video object detection. Then you can go for the zero shot object detection. You can do the dense object detection. You can do the surgical tool detection. Means in medical fields, usually there are so many things they need to identify. There are n number of surgical equipments, and out of a picture or video they need to just identify, because in telesurgery some robot is doing something, so it need to specifically identify that this is a human part, this is a metal part, so this is my metal tool, and this is the human body. So all these sort of means whenever the vision is there, wherever you are trying to implement the natural vision with the help of artificial vision, so there definitely you can use all these object related techniques, means object detection related techniques. And not only the tools, you can do the person detection, means the body detection, you can do the moving object detection, etc. Means a number of object detection possibilities are there, because the object might be any entity. Now coming to the works, so there are so many practical works are there. There are so many theoretical works are there, and you can go to Google Scholar. I will recommend you to go to Google Scholar. You can also go to JSTOR, and there are multiple academic research portals. So you can go over there and you can search the related techniques whichever are suitable for you. So that's all from my side for this particular video. And if you are interested, then I will name a few papers which are sort of interested. So mobile nets is a quite popular paper. Then the you only look once is another popular paper. Then one is objects as points, where the objects are detected and they are represented using the points. So these are the sort of things, and you can do all these things in real time also. So one work which is important, that is a real time multi-person 2D pose estimation. Means they are doing the pose estimation in real time. So that's the another work. So all these things are available, and as I told, there multiple works are there. So it's not wise enough to put all the works over here. I will recommend you to go to any academic web portal and you'll find the related tools. So that's all from my side for this particular video. If you didn't like anything, then please do comment and criticize the video and let me know that what are the points that can be considered for the next video improvements. I will definitely consider your suggestions. So thanks all, and happy learning.